Look, here comes the train. Let's count the animals again and again. In the first wagon, what do I see? One big cow looking at me. One cow says moo, moo, moo. Can you say it too?
One, only one. Counting is so much fun.
In the second wagon, what do I see?
Two little ducks looking at me. Quack, quack, they flap around. Let's count them up and down. One and two, we can count, me and you. In the third wagon, look with me. 1, 2, 3 kittens, happy as can be. They purr and jump, they love to play. Let's count again, hooray, hooray. 1, 2, 3, purr and meow. We are learning numbers now. In the fourth wagon, what do I find? 4 playful puppies wagging behind. They bark and run, they love to play. Let's count together, hip hip hooray. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Counting puppies, let's count more.
In the fifth wagon, what do I spy? 5 fluffy bunnies hopping by. They wibble their noses and twitch their ears. Let's count them loud so everyone hears.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bouncing bunnies hop and jive. In the sixth wagon, rolling in the hay, 6 pink piggies squeal and play. They oink and snort, they're full of cheer. Let's count them up, nice and clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting piggies just for kicks.
In the seventh wagon, up so high, 7 chirping birds fly by. They sing so sweet, they flap their wings.
Let's count them while the music sings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting birds up to heaven. In the ninth wagon, what a sight. 8 little fish swim left and right. Bubbles pop as they got so free. Count them, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting fish is really great. In the ninth wagon, jump and dive. 9 green frogs are all alive. They ribbit and leap so high they go. Let's count them fast, don't be slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting frogs is mighty fine. Stand up, let's down and run. In the last wagon, fluttering bright, 10 butterflies take to flight. They dance and swirl so free and light. Let's count them now, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends, let's count again.
Yay! See you soon, friends! Bye-bye!